Folks, today we are making some Chingri Posto. So Chingri Machher is how Bengalis call shrimps. In Hindi they are called jhinga, maybe some derivation there. But it's a staple diet in West Bengal. They're yummy when they are cooked in a nice poppy seed sauce. I start out with a dozen shrimp, cleaned, deveined. I add half a teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of red chili powder. This is our marinating process. Half an hour is good enough for that. I thoroughly mix it and set it aside while we work on our gravy. In order to prepare the sauce, we soak half a cup of poppy seeds, quarter cup of cashews. About 2 hours should be good enough for soaking, so that can be done in preparation. Here I am adding some water to poppy seeds, and then I'll add cashews into it. While it's marinating, let's get the other ingredients ready for us. I am taking fresh green onions. One can take whole onions as well, it doesn't matter, but green onions give a little distinctive flavor. I'm chopping some cilantro and one whole jalapeno green chili. I'm adding that all in the blender, and here I'm adding our soaked posto poppy seeds. Poppy seeds, when they are grinded up, they give sort of like a milk kind of consistency. I make another drink I make with this is thandai in my other recipe. So we add enough water to it and grind them up thoroughly for about 5 minutes. These should be very, very finely ground. Then we heat up about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. Once the pan is heated, we bring our shrimps, marinated ones, put them in, and very gently fry for about 3 minutes. You do not want to overcook your shrimps because they become very rubbery if you do that. So very quick cooking of shrimps as they're brown from both sides. I take them out, set them aside. So in the same pan, preserving the remaining oil, we add our grounded up posto, onion, cilantro, green chilies paste. We add a little bit more water to it so that it has nice room to simmer. We cover it up and we cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's important to cook it before adding shrimps to it. So when our gravy is ready, we bring down our shrimps and add to this gravy. After adding shrimps, we'll only cook it for at the most 2 minutes. Again, you do not want to overcook your shrimps. Then I cover it, just bring it to a boil, and our Chingri Posto is ready to eat. Gravy is simple and delicious, and so are shrimps when cooked this way together. I like to serve it on top of some basmati rice. Enjoy.